What's going on, guys? My name is Idan. I'm a decent Kakuro player, and today we're back with the medium level Kakuro game. We're going to play this 10 by 12 classic medium game. Alright, let's see what do we start with. Looks pretty big. Okay, look at the 16 here. 7, 9, and this is a 9, so this has to be the 7, 9, 2. Okay, what else? Let's look at this side. 32 feels like it can be a 1 here, right? Yep. Can only start with a 2, so this 3. This one is the 2. This one is the 1. What else do we have here? This 7, 9. 7, 9 here. This is a 10, so this can't be a 9. Because how do you make a 9? I can't. 2, and this is 2, 1. So this is 2 already. So this has to be the 1, this has to be the 2, which means that this 3 squares are 7, 8, 9. And we have a 17 here. And the highest number can be a 7. So this one has to be the 7. Now we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4. And we already have the 1, 2, so this one can only be a 3 and a 4. Let's see. Let's see, what else do we have here? 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 can only go up to 6, and we're looking for 6, 7, 8, 9, so this one has to be the 6. And then we're missing 1 and 2. We already have a 1 here, so this one is a 2. This one is the 1. Now we're looking for 7, 8, 9. What about the 13? 7 is the highest number, so this one is a 7. And we're looking for 8 and 9 here. Now, this can be an 8 and 9, and then this is 2 and a 3. Both of them are possible because 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're still missing 2, 3, and 4. Now for this 7, we're missing 1, 2, 3. If we're looking at it, I see that there's 1 here, so this one can be a 1, and this one can be a 1, so this has to be a 1. And then we're missing 2 and 3. This is a 2, so this one has to be the 3. This one is a 2. That means that this one is a 3, and this one is an 8. And this one is a 9. So we complete our 32 here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 to complete the 10. And this one is an 8 to complete the 14. What are we missing? 1, 2. There's a 1 here already, so this one is a 2. And this one is a 1. This one is an 8. Now what are we missing for the 18? 1, 2, 3, 4. We already have 1, 2, so this one has to be 3 or 4. I just write it to point it out here. Okay, they can all be 1, 3. It's not helpful. 18, 7 and 9. This one is a 9, so this one is a 7. So this one is the 9. 33, we're missing a bunch of stuff. We're missing an 8. Now this can't be an 8, right? Yep, this is not an 8. 8 definitely can be here, and definitely can be here. Either this or this is an 8. I'm not going to write it down yet. 16, 1 to 4. 1 to 4. What's the lowest one you can do here? Anything. Alright, 15. I think 15 solves something. 15 is 6 to 8, 6 to 9. And this 16, the highest number has to be a 6, so this one has to be the 6. This is a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4 is an option. Let's write it down. This can only be 3 or 4. We'll look at this. If we'll look at it both ways. So if this is the 3 or the 4, it means that the other 2 has to contain a 5, 6, or 8. So it's 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. Unclear what is what for now. This one 1 to 4. What about the 21? Alright, the 21, the lowest number is 4. Now here the highest number is 4. So this one has to be the 4, which means that this has to be the 3. Now that it can be the 4. So we're only missing 1 and 2 here. 1, 2. Back to the 29, 8 and 9. This is a 9, so this one is an 8. So this one is a 9. 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Well, this one can only be a 6 or 8, so this one has to be the 6. This one is the 8, and this one is the 1. So then this one is the 2, and this one is the 1, which puts us with a 4 here. And what I'm missing, 1, 2, there's a 1 here, so this one is a 2. So this one is the 1, so this one is a 6. All right, what are we missing here? 2, 3, 4s. Let's write it down. This one is a 1, 3. We have a 1 here, so that's a 3. That's a 1. And now that this 3, 4 cannot be a 3, can only be a 4. This one can only be a 3, and we're missing a 6 here, right? Yeah. Great, let's continue. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. This can be 2, 4. This can't be a 1. So let's point it out. Now this can be 1, 2, 4, and this can't be 1, 2. This can't be 1 and 2. This can only be a 4. So this means this is a 4, this is a 2, because it can be a 1. And this is the 1. Okay, what are we missing for the 30? 5, 8, 9. Now it can't be an 8 or a 9 here. So it has to be the 5. This is the 3, so this is the 4. And we're missing a 2. Great. What are we missing here? 8, 9. This can be a 9. So this is an 8, this is a 9. Let's check this one, this side, the bottom side here, 3, 7. Now I bet you that 33 can't contain a 3. It can only contain a 7. So this is the 7, this is the 3. 33 here, 5, 8, 9. This 8 can be an 8 or 9. So this one is a 5. And we're missing 8, 9. This one can be 8, 9. And this one can be an 8, because it's two 8s. So this one is the 9. This one is the 8. This one is the 7. This one is the 1, obviously. And this one is the 9. And we fixed everything here on the bottom. Let's go to the top. This is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now this 34 is minimum 4. So that's the 4. And we're missing 2 and 3. Both of them can be 2 3s, right? For now, yes. Now this is 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is a 7. So it has to be the 6. 6, 1, 7, 8, 9. This is a 9, so this one has to be 7, 8. This one, on the other hand, can be 8 or 9, so this one has to be the 7. Which means that this is the 8, this is the 9. This is the 6. 10 is 1 and 2. We have a 1 here already, so it's a 2. So 1. Okay, 2 options here. I can look at it. I don't really want to. Let's see. Maybe we do have to. Okay, this one is easier. 6, 7. We're missing 6, 7. This is a 6, so this one has to be the 7. This one is 6, and then we just complete. This is a 3, and what are we missing here? We're missing 2, and here we're missing 2. So it's probably correct. 8 minutes, not bad. That was a cute one. That's it for today. Not going to play another one. Hopefully you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, write something in the comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're going to play the hard one. We're going to play hard 12 by 14. So hop in. We're going to continue this. And that's it. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.